Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So for today I'll be showing you how I made this grilled delicious tilapia with sauce. Trust me, this recipe is amazing and it was so delicious. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the list of ingredients I will be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first step is to blend your vegetables and the spices together. So in a blender, I place my red bell peppers, the green chilies, scallions, the red onion, garlic, and ginger. I will be adding my paprika and seasoning, black pepper, and the rosemary and salt. Add a little bit of oil and then blend until it's smooth. Once you are done blending the vegetables, put a little bit of oil in your saucepan or your frying pan and then pour in the mixture. Stir and cover, allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is our sauce. The water is evaporated and then it looks so good and tastes delicious. If you want more spices, you can add it. Okay, so the next step is to work on your tilapia. So get a tissue paper or kitchen towel and then make sure to dry the tilapia. So you clean all the water, excess water on the fish so that you can stock it with your sauce. So you get a knife and then make some marks on the tilapia where you'll be stocking some of the sauce. This will make it very delicious and then juicy. So put the tilapia in your baking tray and then start to smear your sauce on the tilapia. Make sure it's well coated. Whilst doing this, make sure to preheat your oven to 250 degrees and then place in the tilapia and grill it for 30 minutes. If you don't have an oven, you can also go the pan fry way where you use the pan grill and then place in your tilapia, cover it and then allow it to grill for 30 minutes. Okay, so while the tilapia is in the oven, I'll go ahead and then make the sauce. You need white onions, some bell peppers. So I'm using red bell pepper and then green bell pepper. You just slice them into pieces and then that's it. Okay, so for the sauce, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once it's melted, add your vegetables. And then I added a little bit of black pepper and then seasoning. There is no need for salt because I will be adding the leftover of the tilapia sauce, which already has salt. And then I added some hot sauce as well because I want this thing to be very hot and spicy. So it's done. You don't need to cook it for long. It's ready. Once the sauce is ready, set it aside and check on your tilapia. So this is the tilapia after 30 minutes. It's also well grilled. I'll be putting it on my tray. Look at that, the juice from the tilapia. Oh my god, the smell is so amazing. See, so I'll be putting my sauce on the tilapia and then it's already lunch, so I'll be enjoying my bangkong with this delicious grilled tilapia. Trust me, this was so good. So I decided to give it some garnishing, so some green tomatoes and then some lemons. Wow, look at this delicious food. Trust me, you have to try this for Christmas, or if you have visitors, they are really going to enjoy this recipe. Trust me. It was so yummy and then very delicious. It was tender and very juicy. Okay, so the food is set and then it's lunchtime, so I'm going to enjoy this alone. Wow, this was so good. Trust me, I really enjoyed it. The tilapia, the sauce. See, but look at this. Very soft and then very juicy. You have to try this recipe, guys. Okay, so I think I have to leave you guys here and then enjoy my lunch. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe And then don't forget to subscribe and then like my page on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.